There's a marvelous night for a moon dance, with the stars up above in your eyes. A fantabulous night to make romance beneath the cover of October skies. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and there's nothing more romantic than the song Moondance, and there's no place more romantic than Hawaii. So, we're going to combine the two and play Moondance by Van Morrison on the ukulele. Go ahead now and download the tab and the chord charts, and everything I say will make a lot more sense. Okay, I'm going to start you off with the chord fingerings. A minor 7 is nothing at all. Just play all the strings open. The B minor 7 is almost as easy. You're just going to put your first finger all the way across the 2nd fret. And that's about 3/4 of the song. The strumming pattern that I'm doing through the majority of the song is, think about your steady beat, down, up, down. It's kind of a shuffle. Down, up, down, up, down. So your ups are shorter than your downs, or your downs are longer than your ups. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And I'm playing it like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And for this one I'm playing with my, because I sing really loud, I'm playing with my fingernails. Down on fingernails, up with the thumbnails. Play with your finger. Strum it however you want to. It's your ukulele. Next chord, the D minor 7. First finger is going to go on the 3rd string down on the 1st fret. Top string for your middle finger, 2nd fret. Crowd behind it with the ring finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret. And your pinky gets the bottom string on the 3rd fret. That's probably the hardest chord in the whole thing. E7, the low version. Put your first finger, top string, 1st fret. There and there. Now later on, just for contrast, I like to use this D minor 7, 5th fret, 1 finger all the way across, slide that up 2 frets, 7th fret, put your middle finger on the next to the top string, and you've got your E7. So you get a nice little dramatic. Throw the slide if you want. For the chorus of this song, you can just go back to that 2-chord pattern. Can I just have one more moon dance with you, my love? But what's a little bit more fun is to play the melodic pattern. It's a very simple melodic pattern. We're just going to start off on the E string, open, 3rd fret, 5th fret, and then play the same thing on the A string, open, 3rd, 5th, open, 3rd, repeat. Halfway repeat, the E string open, and then the C string on the 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and then just start over. At the very end of the song, there's kind of a cool thing that I like to do, and that is start the whole chord progression and slide it down the neck of the uke. To do that, I take my ring finger and play all the way up on the octave fret, the 12th fret. You might have to play with that until you get a good sound. And then we're going to play a G chord on the 10th fret, 1st finger all the way across, middle finger on the C string, ring finger on the G string. And then slide that down 2 frets. You're playing your F chord. Slide it down 1 fret and play them open, playing an E minor 7 and then the D minor 7 on the 5th fret. So the end would go something like this. Can I just have one more moon dance with you, my love? And just for fun, sometimes I throw the 9th on the last A minor 7. And then throw the octave back onto the very last sting. Sting. Don't forget to check the links below the video for other uke songs you might like to learn. Below that, there's this big gray area, and gray areas are for questions. So if anything is confusing in this video, it's probably my fault. Ask me a question. I'll be glad to answer. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Moondance on the Ukulele. Thank you for watching.